What's good, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm gonna do a bit of checking on my turntable. This one is from Sony, a Bluetooth version, the Sony PS-LX 310 BT. BT stands for Bluetooth. So actually it can be connected with various Bluetooth speakers, headphones, especially the Sony version. So this one is what you can see when I remove the plate. I think this one is most likely aluminum plate. So some people ask me how to assemble this Bluetooth. When it arrived, it came like this, one piece like this, and also this one is actually not assembled yet. But I didn't want to open this. This one is a simple tap in. You can just snap in. The hinges is very straightforward, snap in. So I don't think I want to disassemble that and make instruction how to assemble that hinges. So it came with this one, a rubber band. So the rubber band is where the motor will spin this plate, this round plate. On top of it, there's a softer material where the vinyl will sit onto it. So how to put on the rubber band? First you put there, then the rest of the rubber band will go straight here. So that's how this plate will be spinning. Insert a line with that. So we'll put in the rubber. Please don't touch any of this. You don't want to get any malfunction. Once it is broken, you might want to find someone who can fix it. That would be another trouble that you don't want to have. Here is speed. I'm using normal to the 3, and then there's also another size, 7" and also 12". For now I'm using 12". I'm looking forward to buy 7". So let's assemble the plate. You want to put the rubber band inside the inner circle. So once you put it in, you will notice that the band is actually made for this diameter. The rubber band is the same diameter as this inner circle. It have an extrude feature, so it is for the rubber band lah. So once you put it in, you need to squeeze a bit. So then you see the hole. There's an inlet window like this, and then you can put the rubber band into the motor or the rotor. This is where the rotor or the feature that will spin it. Once it's done, you can put the mat. So one thing for sure is this player is black in color, so you will notice the dust keep on coming, so you need to wipe it out quite often. My first impression toward this vinyl player is that it looks very classic. Look at this stylus, also very simple looking, and I think I quite like it. Very easy to use. So at the back there's some setting. This is on, so this is the cable plug-in, basic 2-pin cable to have mono connection towards the speaker and amplifier. You have this 2-pin. So it have two types setting here. One is output select, another one is gain select. For gain select setting, for the output select there's a phono and also line. So I switched to phono because I wanted a setting for Bluetooth speaker. So for the line, you can use these two, and you can connect to your better sound system. For the speaker, actually I bought this. This one is a Xiaomi smart speaker. Surprisingly, I cannot use this because this is actually a speaker for Google Home, a smart speaker. So I decided to buy a cheaper one, but since it's a good vinyl player, because I'm out of budget, I just want to try it. I bought this one. Surprisingly, the sound is not bad, so maybe in the future I'll buy a more decent speaker system. Straightforward, snap in, it's done. Once you switch it on, because I already switched at the back, on button is at the back, the round shape button. So you'll see this is where the Bluetooth activation will tell you is it connected or not. If it's playing, that means it's still finding that pairing speaker. Okay, but first we look at this bottom section. There are few buttons here, 3 of them. One is start, stop, and up and down. If you want to start, you might want to press this, and then this will spin. So if you want to stop, you put this, and if you want to move the stylus, you want to put down or want to move it upward, you press this one. So we'll try to demonstrate. I'm using a standard 33 speed and also the sizing of 12 vinyl because I don't have 7-inch vinyl. So with me right now, I have one of my favorite albums. This one is Wing. At the speed of sound. If you know Paul McCartney album, after the Beatles is Paul McCartney and Wings. So this album is, I think it's a Japan release. I bought this on Japanese second-hand vinyl store in Ipoh. You can check that video malas upload. So I have few song here. I think one of the song that people will instantly recognize is the Silly Love Songs. This song Paul McCartney wrote it because John Lennon had a comment about Paul McCartney's songs that Paul McCartney wrote tons of silly love songs. So he made a reply of saying the Silly Love Song as the title. Yeah, I think you know the lyrics lah. It's like he's saying to John Lennon, what's the problem with Silly Love Song? It's a good song. I think it's a very good song, especially at the bass where Paul McCartney playing. So come with this. That's how it works. Speed of sound. I think Coldplay took this phrase and put as their title, EP title. Place height to where the Silly Love Song is. Put it. How to pair your speaker? I think it's quite straightforward setting. If you have a Sony speaker, I think it will be better looking, especially Sony have they claim as their speaker better. I think JBL and other speaker can do well. This one is a cheap speaker I bought, so because I want to try, I tried with that speaker, that Xiaomi speaker, and I couldn't pair it, and I'm quite down. I thought it is broken, so I tried to buy one sample speaker. So just on it. So once on, you will notice the light. Once it is connected, it will be no more blinking light, just a blue light. So you put a speaker nearby that, and once it's connected, you will have one sound, and that's it. One beep, and the lighting will not blink anymore. See, now it's not blinking anymore, but in blue lights, that means it is connected. So it's simple as that. If you trying to pair it and you cannot match it, maybe you need to press it longer. If let's say you cannot get it, or you have problem connecting with speaker, the light will be in orange or red color, so you need to press like this, so it will went off, and try again. So that beep means that it's connected. So now let's play it. I want to shut it. Press the start button, but the stylus is not there, so you need to release it.